Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever thought about what defines true success? Is it personal achievements, accolades, or reaching the top on your own? While these are important, I believe the greatest measure of success lies in the people you have empowered along the way. Empowering others isn't just an act of generosity, it's a powerful force that can transform individuals, teams, and communities. Today, I want to talk about why empowering others is essential, how to do it effectively, and why helping others succeed is one of the most fulfilling things you can do. Why empowerment matters. When we empower others, we create a ripple effect. The impact of our actions extends far beyond the person you have helped. It spreads to their family, their community, and even the world. Empowerment unlocks potential. Every individual has unique talents, strengths, and dreams, but often they just need someone to believe in them, guide them, or give them an opportunity. Empowerment is about helping others realize their full potential. Empowerment creates leaders. The best leaders are those who don't just achieve success for themselves, but also inspire and equip others to lead. Empowerment builds a legacy. Your true impact is measured not by what you achieve, but by the lives you touch. When you empower others, you leave a lasting legacy. How to empower others? Empowering others isn't complicated, but it does require intentionality. Here are few steps to help you become someone who lifts others up. Believe in their potential. The first step to empowering someone is believing in their abilities, even when they might not believe in themselves. Be their cheerleader, their mentor, and their source of encouragement. Provide opportunities. Sometimes all someone needs is a chance. Whether it's a project, a role, or an introduction to the right people, giving someone an opportunity can be life changing. Share knowledge and skills. Empowerment comes from equipping others with tools they need to succeed. Share your expertise, teach them what you have learned, and mentor them as they grow. Give constructive feedback. True empowerment isn't just about praise, it's also about helping others improve. Be honest and supportive in your feedback, focusing on growth and development. Celebrate their success. When someone you have empowered achieves something great, celebrate it wholeheartedly. Their success is a reflection of the impact you have had. Examples of empowerment in action. Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi empowered millions by showing them that non-violence and unity could lead to freedom. His leadership wasn't about personal gain, it was about lifting others to realize their collective power. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah has used her platform to amplify voices, share stories, and inspire others to overcome challenges and succeed. Her success is deeply rooted in her ability to empower others. Teachers and mentors. Think about a teacher, coach, or mentor who changed your life. Their belief in you, their guidance, and their encouragement empowered you to achieve more than you thought was possible. The challenges of empowering others. Empowering others isn't always easy. It requires patience, effort, and sometimes stepping back to let others shine. But the rewards far outweigh the challenges. You might not see immediate results, but empowerment is a long term investment. Trust the process. The rewards of empowerment. When you empower others, you create a win win situation. You are not just helping them grow, you are also growing yourself. Empowering others strengthens your leadership, builds stronger relationships, and creates a sense of fulfillment that no personal achievement can match. Remember, success isn't a solo journey. True greatness comes from helping others succeed alongside you. As I close, I want to leave you with this. Empowerment is about planting seeds of belief, providing sunlight in the form of opportunities, and watching others bloom into their full potential. Who can you empower today? A colleague who needs encouragement, a friend who needs a mentor, a team that needs inspiration. Be the person who lifts others up, who sees potential where others don't, and who inspires others to achieve greatness. Because when you empower others to succeed, you're not just changing their lives, you're changing the world. Thank you.